Hello everyone, my name is Babak Habibi. I am a web developer and I'm gonna teach you how to improve your code when you're working on a project which is web scraping with Node.js and Cheerio. The whole idea of this improvement project is coming from this brilliant video that is belonging to Traverse Media, and I would suggest that for sure check this video and of course subscribe to this channel. First of all, my English maybe is not very good, and I will have some problem with grammar and vocabulary because it's not my native language. So sorry. And I have already written here. I have already written here the whole instruction of this project, how to implement, and other tips. And I put the code over here in my GitHub, and you can download it. And I'm gonna use this page for scraping, web scraping. Just imagine we want to scrape the title and the image. I don't want to duplicate all steps that already hit it in this video. So I put the code here in my WebStorm IDE, but without improvement. For example, you can see everything here, and I put the comment over here, and you will understand what is going on over here. For example, we are gonna scrape this link, and we scrape this class first of all, like here. Yes, the card content. Uh, we already told the our function that search for this class and go inside of this div and first search for the card helpline text, for example, which is this one. Yes, the card headline and the card headline text and the image, which should be card image src. Yeah, over here. And we want to scrape the text here and here too, of course, but the attribute of the source, which would be a link, not the link of the image, it would be the source address of the image. So it should be work correctly. Let's test. Uh, okay, it should save it in the post.csv. Yes, as you see here, is more than a little messy, and you can't count in this structure of data because it's terrible. And the purpose of this video is that in this video, he already tested in the very simple block which has no challenges for scraping data and improving, getting tidy, and so this. But I'm gonna test it here and improve it here. So let's start. First of all, we look at this line and check what's going wrong. As we can see, let's search about this source. Okay, over here, we don't see any problem. It's not have any symbols, so maybe the problem is the the free space over here. So let's improve it, but by trim function. And let's see what happens. We first close this and scrape it again. Yes, the problem solved. But still we have the problem over here, which is a little strange. You see, it split the. It seems it has split the title and the URL of the link and the image goes in the another column. So let's see. We search for the word triste. And yes, it's raining here. So the triste is here. Oh, the triste, comma Italy. Yes, exactly. This is the problem. So we should get rid of the comma because when it's scraped when it wants to save it in the Excel file, it's gonna be a problem here. So another problem is this one. Let's search about this one. Barrel. Yes, it's still this one. The comma. And what about the opera? I guess it's semicolon again. Oh, sorry. Yes, again this one. So we should get rid of the comma. And what about the UNESCO word? Yes. So let's improve this code. We can use it with the replace function. And here we're gonna remove this one, maybe the double quotation and quotation. That would be enough because maybe these two symbols gonna have some problem here, and we replace it with double quotation. I have a little problem with my keyboard because it's an Italian layout keyboard, and I'm new to that one. Okay, we have a problem over here. Oh, sorry. And we put the G word, G letter because we want to effect it in the globally. Let's test it again. Okay, it's done. It seems, yeah, perfect. It's okay right now, and we should. Oh, it's the problem. The new problem is related to the URL address of the image, which because of the character symbols, it's going to be a problem here. So we should get rid of the junk characters of the URL. For example, as we can see here, after question mark, we don't need the cache and other elements of here like quality. So we should get rid of this. And so we can use that, for example, the replace, or no, that we can use the split. And maybe if set after the character question mark, we want to 0. Oh, yes. After the question mark in the source attribute, everything gonna be nothing. Let's check. Ouch. The problem is that it's open, so it cannot overwrite. undefined. Why is that? It should work right now, I guess. It's 0 and maybe if we get rid of this, let's try. Yeah, it was my fault. Yeah, and it's done. As you can see, everything is working correctly, and with this method you can get rid of the URL junk character, and you can tidy your columns, and maybe after that you can improve these character issues, which I guess related to the Italian character and Latin character, and you can replace it with another word, another character as you want. So I guess I reached my purpose, and if you have another question, feel free to comment and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you.